No, this is not a bowl of eggs, but you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This is my mango coconut rice, and you're gonna love it. Let's get into it. The mango pepper from Badia is the star today. Is it Badia or Badia? I don't know. Either way you say it, that's the star of the show today. So I chose from basmati, plain white minute rice, and jasmine rice, and I went with the jasmine rice today. I got my broth together and then I got my rinsed rice in the pot that was already a little hot so that it could toast a little bit before I added the broth and the other secret ingredients that's not going to be so secret in a minute. For this rice, I use mango juice, just about a quarter cup, because it adds an extra layer of sweetness, which is also going to be topped off with another secret ingredient that's not going to be so secret in a minute. After all the liquid is absorbed, that's when I add my seasoning. I had the mango pepper, which is very pungent, so you don't need a lot of it. Then some turmeric, some paprika, and a couple of other things. And it starts to look this nice bright yellow color. And here is the other secret ingredient, coconut milk. This adds a creamy sweetness that really just makes this thing sing. You don't have to add the mango, but you really should if you want that extra crisp bite. This mango pepper rice is just the first in my citrus pepper series, so I hope you come back to see what else we do with them.
All right, let's get a taste. I have to remember I'm on camera because I could eat this whole thing. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic. If you love mango, and if you're looking for a new way to serve it, this is it. The mango pepper absolutely stands out. It marries very well with all the ingredients. I can't even, try it. Just try it. So now let me hear from you in the comments. Have you used this before? And if so, what did you use it on? Or if you haven't used it yet, what do you plan to use it on? If you make this recipe, you gotta let me know how you like it. Thanks so much for joining me today. Remember to give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and sharing is always caring. And to stay in the loop with everything that's coming up from My Ream Life, you wanna hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.